Okay, but as always, we start the show with last hour calls. Mitessh Thakkar is joining us for that. Mitessh, hi, good afternoon. Big move in market and IT, something you also alluded to in the morning. But your view for the last hour and your stock calls.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Anuj. I think a very big move, and we are back there where we had made the last swing high. But importantly, Anuj, I think on the index, we are now trading above the weekly trend line, which is if you join all the highs which the market has made in the last 1.5 years, it's above that. Though I think this is start of the week, this is not closing of the week, so we don't know whether at the end of the week we'll be above this or not. But very important that we have finally started to capture that level. I think that only suggests that eventually we should head higher and at least, if nothing else, test 18,250 and then possibly even try 18,360, which was the highest weekly closing. Eventually, once that is cleared, 18,600, the recent swing high should be tested. So stay positive. IT, you have rightly mentioned. I think that's something which I believe has just started. We've had about 4 days of rally, so typically you get a 1-2 day kind of a pullback. But IT stocks and the Nifty IT index chart suggests that there is a significant upside left for them in the near term. So Nifty IT, I think the first target should be closer to about 30,000, and it's at about 29,200 right now. And then eventually I'm looking at a target of around 31,500 plus. So there's a good amount of trading pop left here. Even in the IT stocks, I think very positive chart structure. Disclaimer, we have some positions in IT names. That apart, the calls for the hour, I have a buy on Z. That's breaking out, making a fresh swing high. So buy with a stop just below levels of 264 here and a target of 285 can be looked at. The other one is Atul Limited. That's breaking out very strong price and volume action here as well. So that's a buy with a stop below 9,400 for targets of 10,000.